She's my
Daddy
favorite
frog.
cutie.
Oh,
And
freak,
tonight,
you know.
I would like a
Boss, I go
piece
hop
of
in a
that
hip. Hop,
booty.
hop.
Don't ask for milk.
This gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. And since you're here right now, thumbs up this video and share it. Help me grow the channel. Thanks. Now, this story will have you laughing out loud. It's about animal dads putting their kids to bed because they want some action. Now enjoy the story.
The stars are out.
Daddy Bear put you
It's
to
dark
bed.
outside.
That
I can
means
see that there's
go
sleep
sleep.
inside of your eyes.
Daddy
Stay
Bear
warm
want
in your
jump in a
bed.
hit beer
On
tonight.
our door, do not knock, because
Nobody
nobody
likes
a
a
cock
block.
block. Daddy worked hard all day long.
If you
He's
work hard all
tired
day,
and
go on your
lonely.
bed, bunny rabbit.
There's a small
one jump up
chance
tonight.
that your mother might blow me.
Oh,
If
DJ
you cry,
business.
no one's coming. This may come as a shock, but nobody likes a cock block. I love Mummy so much. She's my
Daddy
favorite
frog.
cutie.
Oh,
And
freak,
tonight,
you know.
I would like
Boss,
a
I go
piece
hop
of
in a
that
hit. Hop,
booty.
hop.
Don't ask for milk or help with your
No
socks.
milk, nothing.
Because nobody likes a cock block.
Daddy go jump in a
The
booty.
train's leaving the station. It's about to go down. My ticket is stamped for a trip to Pound Town. Your job is to sleep like the heaviest
Go
rock.
at your bed.
Darling, nobody likes a cock block. Dinner was yummy.
And who this?
For dessert, you had fruit.
Mr. Serpent.
So don't say you are hungry
snake.
when we are knocking
I go
boots.
in that no.
Your antics are like a knife
No
to my job.
tonight.
And
God,
nobody
Daddy no
likes
want
a
no
cock
cock
block.
block.
It's not cool to wait for us to
Where
get
rap
busy,
butter go to fly up in
to
night
cry
now?
for a hug, or go into a tizzy. If our door is closed, away
Do not
you
read
must
this to your
walk.
kids or have them
Because
read
nobody
this.
likes a cock block. Girdle up in your blanket. Hug Teddy so
Father
tight.
old. You know what he say?
It's
Father,
now
I put the
time
kids
for
them to
Daddy
bed.
to turn off the light. Would
Anytime
you
Daddy
look at
want
the
a
time?
peace night, and
It's
them always
cool 10
send the kids
o'clock.
them to bed.
And
Notice.
nobody likes
I
a
got
cock
black.
block. Okay, one last kiss. One very fast hug. You're tucked in just right like a bug
Go your bed.
in a rug.
No.
I love you so much. But remember this talk. And that nobody likes a cock block.
Which is true. Yo. Don't read this to your kids. Yo, that was funny. I know a lot of dads, a lot, that put their kids to bed because they want some action. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video, help me grow the channel, and subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.
This gonna go down. This freaking vibe.